Good morning, honey. What is on your schedule today? Busy as ever, I suppose.
Yes, sweetie. I'm so busy. I'm so tired of this rat race. I know we aren't ready to retire, but I'd sure like to plan for it now. That way we have something to look forward to.
It's funny you say that. I've been thinking the same thing. I saw a blog on Facebook yesterday which gave me an idea.
Which blog did you see? I may have seen the same one. Was it written by the www.choosehomenow.com dude?
Yes. That's the one. He is a realtor with William E. Wood and he suggests we buy now while we can get such good interest rates. And we can rent the home to someone else until we are ready to move in.
It does seem to make sense. The rent payment might more than cover our mortgage payment. And then when we are finally ready to move to Virginia Beach, we will already have our home.
And we will have bought it at the best possible time. Low interest rates and low prices.
Sounds like a perfect idea. Should we contact this Choose a Home Now dude? He says he can help us find a home and a good lender.
I'll call him today. Meanwhile, check out his website at www.choosehomenow.com. Maybe we can go to Virginia Beach this weekend and look at some homes. What do you think?
Let's do it. I'll start packing now.